What's up, everybody? My name is Ryan Longnecker, and welcome to the Ultimate Lightroom Primer course brought to you by Click Photo School. In this course, we're going to be doing a very broad tour of all of the modules and the panels and the sliders and every option, taking people from never having opened it to now having a comfort with actually being able to import and organize and edit their pictures and export and actually put the beauty that is inside their creative internal voice out into the world. And I hope that you would check it out because we've got some good stuff to cover. I'll see you there.